Why are crimes against humanity important after the Cold War? Imagine a world where mass atrocities happen and no one faces justice. That's why crimes against humanity became a major focus after the Cold War. During the Cold War, conflicts mostly involved states fighting each other, and civilian suffering was often ignored. The focus was on military power and national security. But after the Cold War ended, the world saw a shift. Conflicts changed, and so did the way we protect civilians and hold perpetrators accountable. Crimes against humanity are serious violations of international law. They include murder, torture, rape, and systematic attacks on civilians. These crimes can happen during peace or war, and they target innocent people deliberately. After the Cold War, many atrocities in places like the Balkans and Rwanda showed that existing laws had gaps. These events made the world realize that stronger legal tools were needed to prevent and punish such crimes. One big change was moving from focusing only on the state to caring about individual human rights. The idea of human security grew, emphasizing protecting people from violence and abuse. International tribunals like the International Criminal Tribunal for the former Yugoslavia and Rwanda were created to prosecute those responsible. These courts made it clear that leaders and military officials could be held accountable, no matter their rank. Another key point is that crimes against humanity carry no term limit for prosecution. This means even if many years pass, perpetrators can still be brought to justice. Universal jurisdiction allows any country to prosecute these crimes if they occur elsewhere. This helps fight impunity and shows the world will not tolerate mass atrocities. The Geneva Conventions and their additional protocols became even more important after the Cold War. They set rules to protect civilians during conflicts. When these rules are broken, especially through crimes against humanity, the international community responds more forcefully. This helps prevent future violations and protects vulnerable populations. Prosecuting crimes against humanity also acts as a deterrent. It sends a message that mass atrocities will not go unpunished. This encourages leaders and groups to respect human rights, even in difficult conflicts. The rise of civil wars and ethnic cleansing after the Cold War made it clear that stronger legal responses were needed. In practical terms, this focus has helped hold leaders accountable for mass killings and systematic abuses. It supports victims and promotes reconciliation. It also strengthens international norms that reject impunity. These developments guide peacekeeping efforts and humanitarian aid, ensuring civilians are protected. In the end, crimes against humanity are vital because they uphold the core principles of international humanitarian law. They reminded us that human dignity matters, and that the international community must act when these grave violations occur. The post-Cold War era has shown that justice and accountability are essential for peace and security worldwide.